Hello guys, welcome to mambafixcars. Today we're gonna be taking a compressor out of a 2015 Audi A4. It's pretty easy to do, very accessible. I'm gonna give you all the necessary steps to do, and we should get this one out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. First thing you gotta do is suck out your freon. I don't wanna waste my freon, so I just gotta take it out. Once you don't know what freon is the gas that goes into the compressor that makes your car blow cold. Yeah, so you gotta suck it out so you don't waste it. We're gonna put it back in once we done putting the new compressor back in. So I'm gonna wait for it to suck out before I start anything. Guys, once you're done sucking out your freon, you're gonna go ahead and take the AC lines. You have T45 torques. That's what we're gonna be taking our AC lines with. Let's do that. Alright guys, I got my bolts for the AC lines. We got them out. Those green stuff you see there, that's what's called freon. Yeah, there's a gas that like makes your car blow cold. We're gonna go next to take the belt out. We're gonna take the bolts for the compressor. Guys, with our 6-inch socket in the ratchet, we're gonna go ahead and take our belt out. You have to go clockwise. It's gonna come loose. Take the belt out. You don't have to take the belt all the way completely, so you could just like take it off and let it hang around this side, right? So when you're done, you just hold it from here. You don't have to realign everything again. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take the bolts that goes to the compressor, and we should be ready to take the compressor out. Okay guys, so compressor has 3 bolts. It has 13 bolts. It has one here, the other on the bottom right here. It has another one there, right here. Let me adjust my camera so you can see. Yeah, that one there, and it has the connector. It has a connector there. Has a connector right here, so we're gonna take it off, and we should get this compressor loose and ready to come out. Guys, as you can see, our compressor is down. I'm gonna lift it up so I can get to my connector. Yeah. I think this is how far you could go. That's just my connector from the bottom right here. It's a push and release, push and pull. This one is pretty hard. Got it out. Once you have the connector off, there's nothing attached to the compressor no more. You should be able to raise it out. There you have it, guys. Compressor. Alright guys, here's the compressor. I didn't have the new part to show you at the beginning of the video what it looked like. But yeah, this is what your compressor looks like. You should compare it with your new one. Make sure it has the same connector and all of that. Put it back in, have the car running. Make sure connector is plugged in good. And yeah, so this is the end of my video. If you find this video helpful, I appreciate if you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.